Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Porsche Cayenne in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. This guide covers both the standard electronic method and the manual override, which is crucial for situations like a dead battery or when towing. Knowing these steps can prevent damage and ensure safe handling of your Cayenne. We'll walk through each process clearly, so you'll be prepared for any scenario. For the standard method, begin by turning your Cayenne's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your foot. While keeping the brake pedal depressed, move the gear selector from P or D directly into the N position. You should see N illuminated on your dashboard display, confirming the transmission is now in neutral. Release the brake pedal only when ready to move the vehicle. If your Cayenne has a dead battery or an electrical issue, you'll need the manual override. First, locate the small cover or slot near the gear selector. You might need to gently pry it open. Insert a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar tool into the slot. While holding this tool down to engage the release mechanism, simultaneously move the gear selector into the N position. This action manually disengages the parking lock, allowing the vehicle to roll. Always remember to engage the parking brake before releasing the transmission from neutral, especially if you're on any kind of incline. Never leave your Cayenne in neutral unattended, as it could roll unexpectedly, causing damage or injury. Safety is paramount when working with your vehicle's transmission. For more helpful tips and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, please see the link in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.